Thanks for joining me on a little tour of this random abandoned restaurant. Just happened to find just off a side road in Nevada. Let's be a quick little explore. Not much left. Seems to have been abandoned for quite some time. Storage closet here. Couch. Funny. Never fails, no matter how far out in the middle of nowhere you are, find evidence of squatters and people who used to live in here. Like, look at this. Hard to see, but it's a rolled sleeping bag, some kids' toys, set up of chairs. People were definitely squatting and living in here at some point. This is all their stuff. Now it's hard to see. I didn't bring a flashlight in with me, but it's the old coffee machines. Dark back rooms here. Said you won't be able to see much, but basically just caving in, destroyed, pretty much empty. Take you back this way, back to the main room of the restaurant. You can see it's just pretty much gutted and caving in, getting moldy. Look in the back room here, but it's pretty much falling apart back here. It's an old storage room. Ceiling's caving in. More storage back there. Yeah, not too much left of this place, but we'll go back up to the kitchen real quick. You can see that fell down, the molding. Check out the kitchen and then we'll head out. This used to be a hive of workers back here. Now it's just nothing. Nothing but the skeletal remains of probably a once pretty nice restaurant. That's where we just walked through earlier. Yeah, not much left. Huh, is this still in there? It is. Wonder if it works. Well, that's about it for this quick little stop. Thanks for tagging along.